Hello everyone, Paul here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can verify email addresses using Searchbug Email Validator tool. First and foremost, we need to visit searchbug.com and navigate to the lookup tabs. Then select Verify Email Address. Next, we need to enter the email address that you want to check. Please double check for typos, especially with tricky usernames or domains. Then click the Verify button. In just a few short seconds, the tool will run a 27-point check and display the email address's status, such as valid, invalid, or spam trap. If you have a large list of emails to verify, or if you want to integrate email verification into your software, application, or website, Searchbug offers both API and bulk verification options. This service will help you to save time and effort compared to verifying each address individually. We have dedicated a video on our channel that dives deeper into this powerful tool. Simply search for Searchbug bulk email verification on our channel to learn more. Why is email verification is important? In today's digital world, having an accurate email list is crucial for successful email marketing campaigns. Sending emails to invalid addresses can hurt your sender reputation and waste resources. Searchbug Email Validator helps you to ensure your email lists are clean and up to date. There are several reasons why verifying email address is important, especially for email marketing. Improve email deliverability. Validating emails ensures that they're real and receiving messages, boosting your chances of reaching actual people. Reduce bounce rates. By verifying email addresses beforehand, you eliminate these bounces and ensure your campaigns reach their intended targets. Enhance sender reputation. A high bounce rate can get you flagged as a spammer by email providers. Verifying email keeps your bounce rate low and protects your sender reputation, allowing your emails to land in inboxes instead of spam folders. Reduce cost. Sending email to invalid addresses is a waste of resources. Verifying your list will save your time and money. More targeted campaigns and increase engagement. With a clean email list, you can tailor your campaigns to specific audiences, leading to better engagement and results. When your email reaches real people, they're more likely to be opened and interacted with. Reduce risk of spam traps. Spam traps are fake email addresses used to catch spammers. Sending email to them can seriously damage your sender reputation. Verification helps you identify and avoid these traps, protecting your email marketing efforts. Visit searchbug.com today and learn more how our email validator tool can help you make smarter choices.